for the new timetable and new schedule. It's my lecture, I think. Okay. So we'll start, or if somebody has left, we'll just wait for 2 minutes more, then we start. Okay. We'll wait 2 minutes and then we'll start. If somebody has left, they can join. Okay. Good morning, everyone. Hope I am audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we'll start. If in between somebody wants to join, they will. Today we'll go for experiment number 1. Yet I haven't uploaded your manual, but I'll definitely upload the documentation part. When I will upload, I will inform you on the model. Then your experiment submission will start. Don't worry about it. No, sometimes what happens, those who are absent, they are again and again ping me on the WhatsApp because the number is available. Some instructions I already given. Regarding test, on that page, I think week 3 and quiz 3 was also available, which is not opened, and I haven't created it. I've created for week 4 because it is the next tab, week 4 and quiz 4 tab. Some people haven't, I think, able.
हॅलो सर.
Yes, Vishal.
आवाज खूप कमी येतोय सर.
Hello. I think I'm on the
हॅलो.
same technology. Check it. Check it now. Is it okay now, Shubham? Vishal?
कमीच येतोय सर.
Yes, is it okay, Vishal?
येस सर.
I'm
येतोय
not
सर.
getting your voice. You can type. I'm not getting your voice. Am I audible loudly? Am I
Yes, sir.
now? Am I audible? Now am I audible loudly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please check now. Right now. Just now. Is it okay now? Is it loud?
Yes, sir. You are clear and loud.
Okay. Hope I'm hope I am audible loudly right now. Now we'll continue. Shall I continue? Is it okay, Vishal and other students?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So I was telling about the quiz. Many people have pinged me that quiz is not able, but I don't know. Somehow somebody have added. Maybe non-teaching staff have added week 3 quiz 3. I haven't uploaded it, but I've given next quiz which I have uploaded the name week 4 quiz 4. Again I have changed and I have deleted that week 3 which was not opening and no questions were there. Currently you have to appear for the quiz which is 4 and I have uploaded again tab week 3 quiz 4. Week 3 quiz 4 and I have opened it today up to 6 p.m. So today 6 p.m. will be the last date for attempting quiz. So I request those who has not attempted or facing some technical issue, now the quiz is open for everyone. They can attempt. If already attempted, leave it. This instruction is for those who hasn't attempted yet. So remember the instruction that those who has not appeared for the quiz, they can appear the quiz right now. Today 6 p.m. will be the last time to attempt it. After lecture also you can attempt. Don't leave and go for attention. After lecture you can attempt. I have opened it up to 6 p.m. And remember, it's compulsory for everyone to attempt the quizzes. If date is over, we will extend for previous one also, previous 2. And those who has not attempted, I request them that attempt it. Here onwards, for everyone, that quiz attention is compulsory. If some technical issues are there, we'll solve it. No problem. Don't worry. Now, what happens? I give instruction and still many people ping me on my personal number. But I don't know. But so I request everyone, if your students, friends were absent, just inform them what are the instructions. Because to everyone giving same instruction again, it's quite difficult. At one time we meeting and we give instruction normally, so everybody can listen. And those who are absent, just it's their friend's job just to inform them. Otherwise, they will ping me. Somebody don't even they never read the instructions carefully already given. Same question they ask again me. Like today also somebody were asking that still week 3 quiz is not opening. Yesterday evening itself I have given the message on the group that attempt quiz week 4 quiz 4. Don't worry, now I have deleted that tab. Okay, now we'll start today's lecture. I think regarding quiz, everybody is clear now. Those who has not attempted or facing any problem, they can attempt it up to 6 p.m. today. Let me ask again same question. How many of you have laptops? For labs, you have to use your technology which is available. If you raise your hand, no problem. If you have a laptop, no problem. Even if by unmuting you want to answer, no problem. Just I want to get a figure. Okay, 1. Atharva Paricharak is there. Samira Sheikh is there. Bhaga Nagari is there. Okay, you can raise your hands if you do have 62. Yes. 12. Good. If maximum 11. Okay. If maximum people will have a technology, it will be better. Okay. I can see how many have raised. Okay. Okay. Okay, those who do have a technology laptop or desktop with them, they can raise their hand. Those who are having laptop or desktop. Okay, good. Okay, so those who don't have actually, yes, Shubham. Okay, so I actually instructed last time itself that somehow you manage it because lifetime it is required. Maybe if you get a job, maybe we don't know if this situation still exists or persists for some small percentage. Still, you will be allowed to work from home. Then again, you require it. So I request, this is a request, if possible, try to arrange the technology. Now we have started one batch has done one practical. Remaining two batches, maybe for that same batch, these instructions will be repeated, but let it be, because we haven't covered other two batches. So today in this lecture, we'll try to cover first experiment. As experiments we complete, I will upload those write-ups, and you can write and again upload. Okay, questions and all this stuff. So if you those who raised their hand, if they already have the Python installed, it will be better. Again, else if you wish to install, you can install right now. Rather than, I'll suggest that if you are already opened and will continue some settings we require to do, you can do it right now. Else, you listen properly. I'm recording this video. I will upload this video also on Moodle, and then also you can do it. So there are three options. Simultaneously with me, you can do the settings, or you can understand and ask for some time for me so that we can stop and take a pause and do the necessary settings. Else, after a video uploading on the Moodle, you can do those settings. Okay. Those who are doing simultaneously with me, if you require time, you can just tell me that just wait for a minute, so that next instructions I can give. So hope all of you are ready. Those who are doing simultaneously, they can open and okay, good. So those who have instructed, as I said, if already you have installed, we need some packages also. So that is also I'm going to tell, which we require to complete our practicals. Those packages we need to install Python. In Python, already you know Python, I know, but still I'm asking. Okay, those who have already done, definitely this lecture will be bore for them, but no problem. You can listen one more time. No. So shall we? So first you go to control panel. Before that, again, if you already installed Python, you need to identify where it is stored. So location. So by right clicking, you can to Python, you can like right clicking, you can say that go to location or open the local Python installed where it is the local location. It will give us. Else, I have gone to the location. So I'll share screen first. Screen is visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, screen is visible. So entire window I'm sharing now. So I'll minimize this. Okay. Hope you are observing. Screen is visible, all movements. So you can go here and right click and open more and open file location also you can say. Else by idle opening, then also you can, for example, suppose I want this. So so here I am. I will go to local drive. It will ask for uses. In uses, CSE, then app data, local, then programs, Python 39 here. So this is my path. Okay. So this is my path. You have to find out yours, or else you can go to open file location. It will open file location directly. So copy this path. Okay. Then on my this terminal already those I have instructed. Just I will show you what you have to do. So hope all of you are with me. those who are doing simultaneously, you have identified your Python install location like this. It depends on the version. My version is 3.9. Maybe yours can be 3.6 or previous to that or more than that. No problem. At least minimum 3.6 Python version is required to install. Those who haven't installed yet, you install it. Latest I have installed 3.9.1 is available. This is my idle shell. Okay, those who are who want to take a pause or they are coming with me, you unmute and tell, because I'm not reading now chats. If you are typing in chats, I will not able to read it and get those messages. So hope all of you are with me. You find out the location. I said copy this entire path. So I copied Control C. Now again click on Start. Go to Control Panel. Or in search you write Control Panel. Here it is. So Control Panel. Screen is visible. You can unmute and say. Don't type now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Everybody. Anybody have problem? My screen is visible. Okay. So go to Control Panel. Now in Control Panel, click on System and Security. Click on System and Security. My Windows is 10, Windows 10, Windows 8 point, or if Windows 7, there this kind of view will be different. Just check. It depend on your operating system. So System and Security you have to click inside a control panel. If a different operating system is there, it will show you system directly, no problem. Then go to System, third step. Hope those who are doing simultaneously, they are with me. Go to again System. Reached here, those who are doing simultaneously, otherwise other people just listen. If somebody want to take a pause from my side, they can unmute and tell me. Now click on Advanced System Settings. Advanced System Settings. Advanced System Settings will open this, pop up this window. Then click on Environment Variables. Environment Variables. Environment Variables. Now you can see these two windows. Now inside this window, which is moving right now, just click on Path. Okay. If already created, do not create one more time. If not, then click on New. Okay. Here already I have created, but you can create. Click on Path, click on New. Here again type Path. And here the Python path which we have copied, you have to type. Okay. You have to type Control V. This path which I opened. Control C, and in this window you can here press it. Control V. And say OK. I've already done. Then OK and come back. Done. So this will set your path. Now go to your Python idle. Python idle. So here we are. Any problem up to this? Hope my screen and voice both are reaching to you. Screen is visible. Voice is loud and clear. Anybody? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, here you are reached now, right? Now we need to install some packages. Then type Python -m eip install. Now first package is pandas. Already I think here I've installed it. Syntax error repeat. By Allah. Okay. Check out any error is there from your side. जे सायमल्टेनियसली करते त्यांना काय अडचण येते का?
Yes, sir. Same error.
सेम एरर. बर, ठीक आहे. Once again we will go to control panel. Okay. Hope those who are doing simultaneously they have added. Now go to search and type here command prompt. Okay. And click on run. Am I audible? Am I audible? Just go to search. Like again I'll show in search here. Type command prompt. Okay. Run as administrator. If you are other user, then you have to switch user and try to go as a admin login and open this command prompt run as administrator. Yes. Okay. Okay. This will work. Already installed. It will show me. Let's check if any problem is there. Hope my screen is visible to you. What I did, I've gone to command prompt, but as an admin. So try to open the command prompt as an admin. If already you are logged in as an admin, no problem. Okay. First time, those who are doing, those who don't have this pandas installed, type this command. Okay, it is working now. जे सायमल्टेनियसली करतायत त्यांनी मला अनम्यूट करून विचारा जर एरर असतील प्रॉब्लेम असतील तर. काय करायचं आपल्याला आता एन्व्हायरमेंट व्हेरिएबल मध्ये पाथ ऍड केलंय आपण. मी पण परत एकदा केलं डबल करून दाखवला. ऍक्च्युली इथं जायच्या ऐवजी आयडल शेलला इथे कमांड प्रॉम्प्टला जायचं आपल्याला आणि ते पण ऍडमिन म्हणून. मग ऍडमिन म्हणून लॉग इन करा. एल्स तुम्ही दुसरा युजर म्हणून लॉग असाल तर इथं टाईप करताना कमांड प्रॉम्प्टला जायचं पण अशा पद्धतीने रन ऍज अ ऍडमिनिस्ट्रेटर. विंडोज मध्ये दिसतं इथं तुम्हाला स्क्रीनवर दिसेल. रन ऍज अ ऍडमिनिस्ट्रेटर म्हणजे आपल्याला कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट ओपन करायचा आहे पण तो ऍज अ ऍडमिन म्हणून. ओपन झाल्यानंतर इथं जे काय असेल ते आलं त्या System32 च्या पुढे ही कमांड टाईप करायची आपल्याला python python space -m space pip space install install space pandas pandas हे पॅकेजचं नाव आहे. हे लागणार आहे आपल्याला. आता ऑलरेडी माझ्याकडे इन्स्टॉल्ड आहे म्हणून त्यांनी सॅटिस्फाय म्हणलं. ज्यांचं इन्स्टॉल नाही, आता ह्याच्या अगोदर टाईप करायच्या अगोदर एक गोष्ट राहिली की तुम्ही लॉग इन करा नेटला. नेट ऍक्टिव्ह राहू देत तुमचं. असेलच, नसेल आता तुम्ही घरी आहे म्हटल्यावर तुम्हाला काय ह्याला लॉग इन करायची गरज नाही. डायरेक्ट नेट सुरू असेल तर ते नेटवरून डाउनलोड करेल. खूप जास्त नाही, MB मध्ये आहे ते छोटंसं पॅकेज, खूप काही GB लागणार नाही त्याला. ते डाउनलोड करेल आणि पूर्ण इन्स्टॉल होईल. जोपर्यंत लास्ट स्टेप येत नाही तोपर्यंत चालू राहू देत. आता इथं माझ्या इथं ऑलरेडी आहे. इट इज ऑलरेडी अवेलेबल विथ मी, सो इट इज सेइंग ऑलरेडी सॅटिस्फाईड. या इफ न्यू व्हर्जन इज अवेलेबल दे कॅन से दॅट यू कॅन गो फॉर अपडेशन. अपडेटची कमांड टाकून आपण जाऊ शकतो. करायचं नाही आपल्याला, फक्त एकदा इन्स्टॉल करायचं आहे. सायमल्टेनियसली कोणी करताय का? यू कॅन अनम्यूट अँड से मी. सायमल्टेनियसली कोणी करताय का?
Yes, sir.
ओके. झालं का? म्हणजे डाउनलोड व्हायलाय का ते? शुभम, हा. आरती,
Yes, sir.
शुभम, हा. शिवानी, ओके. डाउनलोड पूर्ण झालंय का?
Yes, sir. झालं.
म्हणजे तुम्ही हे असं दिसतंय पूर्ण झालं आणि नेक्स्ट तुमचा सिस्टीम 32 असा एक मेसेज आलाय पुढचा. पूर्ण झाला असेल तर परत एकदा हे पॅकेज इन्स्टॉल करायचं आपल्याला. म्हणजे माझे स्क्रीन दिसतेच आहे तुम्हाला. वाटल्यास तुम्ही नोटबुक मध्ये लिहून घ्या. ज्यांच्याकडं नाहीये त्यांनी लिहून घ्या ह्या कमांड्स. आता समोर दिसतंय तुम्हाला वर्क होत आहेत त्या. पांडा झाल्यानंतर आपल्याला नमपाय NUMPY हे पॅकेज इन्स्टॉल करायचं आहे. त्याला पण सेम प्रोसिजर परत एकदा. जर ऑलरेडी असेल तर ते गरज नाही म्हणेल. कधी कधी पांडा सोबतच इन्स्टॉल करतं, ते गरज नाही म्हणतं, ऑलरेडी आहे असं सांगतं. नसेल तर ते नेट चालू फक्त पाहिजे असं येईल तुम्हाला. रिक्वायरमेंट ऑलरेडी सॅटिस्फाईड. 4-5 पॅकेजेस लागणार आहेत आपल्याला. Just a minute. You can see here, these are the packages which require. One is pandas, one is numpy, one is MAT, matplot, PLOT, LIB, library dot PYPLOT, Python plot, matplotlib dot Python plot, PYPLOT. This package we require, and we require also sklearn. We'll see that. Okay. So you're on command prompt. Over. जर पहिला झाला असेल इन्स्टॉल तर दुसरी कमांड टाकायची ही python -m pip स्पेस इन्स्टॉल स्पेस numpy. हे झालं की परत आता काय करायचं, इथे matplotlib डॉट pyplot could not find version. That is the requirement for version none. Okay, it is again already available with me. So you just type it and again it will start downloading from net. Just be ready with ActiveNet. Just a minute. Okay. So hope this will start downloading matplotlib.py. Okay, spell mistake. Yes, it is already there, I think. होता है का तुमचा एरर येते?
नाही सर होत आहे.
होत आहे ना? py plot आहे तिथे फक्त स्पेल हे करा.
हो सर.
matplotlib.py plot plot. In my case it was mistake, but it is I think available. You can Google also. काय काय पॅकेजेस जसे जसे आपल्याला लागतील तसे ते आपण इन्स्टॉल करणार आहोत. तर एखादं बघू जे नाहीये माझ्याकडे ते इन्स्टॉल करायचा प्रयत्न करा. नाही. आपण जे इन्स्टॉल करतो त्याची कुठे पण नावं दाखवणार. ठीक आहे, लेट इट बी. हे झालं, डाउनलोड झालं आणि इन्स्टॉल झालं.
होत आहे सर.
ओके, ठीक.
सर एरर आहे सर.
काय एरर आहे?
तर ती तुम्हाला आली तशीच आहे सर, सेम.
आहे का ऑलरेडी इन्स्टॉल तुमच्याकडे? ठीक आहे. त्या ग्राफिकल एक मिनिट. आता हे मॅट प्लॉट कशाला लागतात ना, पांडास वगैरे लागतात. प्लॉटचं झालंय की नाही ते बघण्यासाठी ना हे रन करूयात आपण. If it is not installed properly, definitely it will give us an error. If it is there, then let us see graph is there or not. Okay, sklearn नाही आहे माझ्याकडे. Okay, sklearn. Just a minute. Okay, at least एक तरी package आहे. हाँ, this is the next package, sklearn. So you need to install sklearn. So when we run some programs, for that some packages are required. Then we can have that problem. So sometime you need to implement one program and run it. So this is saying that my sklearn package is not there. So this is what happening. It started to download and install it. So once it is over, it will give me the message. So next, those who have implemented correctly, and they can go for sklearn, sklearn. जर तुमच्याकडे असेल तर ते सेम एरर किंवा तुम्हाला अपडेटला जा म्हणून सांगेल. अपग्रेडला जा. अपग्रेड करायची गरज नाही, ऑलरेडी इन्स्टॉल्ड आहे. याच्या व्यतिरिक्त दुसरा कुठला एरर आहे का कोणाला? फक्त एकदा स्पेल चेक करा. मी जसं म्हणालो की माझ्या इथे एक पहिल्यांदा कमांड मध्ये स्पेल मिस्टेक होती, ती आपण करेक्ट केली आहे. म्हणता येते मॅट प्लॉट लिब. बघूयात मॅट प्लॉट लिब आहे का नाही. आता एसकेएलएन नाही म्हणत होते, एसकेएलएन इन्स्टॉलेशन झालंय. सो गो अहेड अगेन जस्ट टू चेक. If it is there, it will run properly. Okay, I'll find out some small examples. Okay, 2, 3. ठीक. Okay, so matplotlib, it is there already. So this figure is displayed. So that is what, to plot a figure, plot a graph, we require that package which is there. So executed correctly, right? Hope you can see this. So for graph, you require that matplotlib packages. I think you know more than me because I don't know Python. I'm learning with you people. Already you have learned Python. So you're ahead. If you compare with me, you're ahead. Okay. So our target, first experiment, to upload a CSV file. CSV file. CSV file is comma separated value. So for example, I would like to show you the data like this. This is like your tabular form also, but you need to mention tabular form, database. टेबल फॉर्म मध्ये असं कॉलम आणि रो. कॉलम म्हणजे ते नाव की कोणती माहिती खाली आहे, आणि ते असे रो. असा आपण डेटा करू शकतो ह्यूज मध्ये. त्या केसमध्ये आपल्याला अशी व्हॅल्यू लागते, कॉमा सेपरेटेड व्हॅल्यू. So CSV file is nothing but comma separated value. So you can observe here name. So first column is name, comma. Next value is department, comma. Third value is birthday month. And downside the information is there. John Smith, accounting, November. So here indicates first value. After that there is a comma. So before comma whatever comes, that is first value. Then after comma whatever come, it is a second value which will represent the department. And November indicates it is the birthday month of John Smith, and his department is accounting, like this. So in Notepad also we can create this kind of CSV file. Else one more way you can create, no problem. One more way is that Excel sheet. In Excel sheet also you can create it. That is opening. So like this. First column name, second column age, third column profession, and these are the values. Jack, his age is 23, and doctor, like this. So such a way, just while saving, we have to give the .csv extension. That's it. Already it is given. So it is asking. For example, I'll show you. Suppose in same, in somewhere I am saving. Then here it will ask. So these are the different types of files which we can create. Hope my screen is visible and my voice is loud. You can hear it. So this is what we have to take. CSV, comma, separated value. So this file will be created. So you need to create it. You can go for creation right now also. जे सायमल्टेनियसली करतायत त्यांनी हे क्रिएट करा. कोणतंही नाव द्या. पीपल मी दिले, मी प्रोग्राम मध्ये वापरणार आहे. आणि नोटपॅड मध्ये पण तुम्ही सीएसव्ही फाईल क्रिएट करू शकता. आपण इथे ह्यूज इन्फॉर्मेशन सेव्ह करू शकतो आणि ते आपण वापरणार आहे पायथॉन. मग म्हणजे सीएसव्ही फाईल आपल्याला लागणार आहे. मग ती रीड करायची, राईट करायची. हा दिस इज व्हॉट इज अ फर्स्ट एक्सपेरिमेंट. मग फक्त पहिल्यांदा आपण लोड करायची कशी ते आपण करणार आहोत. ते दाखवतोय मी. त्यासाठी सीएसव्ही फाईल क्रिएट करून ठेवा. ऑलरेडी माझ्याकडे आहे. तुम्ही क्रिएट करा. सिंपल करा, छोटी करा सुरुवातीला. परत तुम्ही त्यात भरपूर व्हॅल्यूज ऍड करू शकता. डोंट वरी. मग मी क्रिएट केले. पहिल्यांदा दिले नाव, नेम. सेकंड कॉलम इज एज अँड थर्ड कॉलम इज प्रोफेशन. आता ह्यात रेकॉर्ड्स टाकले मी. पहिला मी घेतला जॅक, परत 23 डॉक्टर, मिलर 22 इंजिनियर. ओके. फाईल सेव्ह करताना सेव्ह ॲज किंवा सेव्ह म्हणा आणि विचारताना इथं ऑलरेडी सेव्ह करून माझ्याकडे आहेच ते. इथं फक्त सीएसव्ही फाईल म्हणा अशी. CSV, comma separated value. सेव्ह करा. आता छोटे एक्झाम्पल ओपन करताय मी. Already created. Just you need to type understand. So first you have to write import CSV. So CSV we are importing. This is required. This is a package inbuilt. Import CSV package, comma separated value. So inside now idle न्यू फाईल म्हणा तुम्ही नसाल तर. मी ऑलरेडी ओपन केलेली आहे, माझ्याकडे सेव्ह आहे म्हणून. तुम्हाला नवीन करताना इथं न्यू फाईल म्हणा आणि त्यात टाईप करा असा इम्पोर्ट CSV. लागणार आहे आपल्याला विथ ओपन. सो वी आर टायपिंग कमांड विथ ओपन इन ब्रॅकेट. विथ ओपन इन ब्रॅकेट. आता आपल्याला जी CSV फाईल पाहिजे त्याचं नाव देतो. आता ही फाईल आपण करताना कुठे क्रिएट करायची, दॅट इज ऑल्सो वन मोर इम्पॉर्टंट. जिथे तुमचं पायथॉनचं फाईल लोकेशन आहे इन्स्टॉल केल्यानंतरच तिथं तुम्ही ते सेव्ह करणं गरजेचं आहे. समजा हे नसेल, दुसरीकडे असेल, या फोल्डरच्या बाहेर कुठेतरी असेल, तर त्याचा पाथ द्यावा लागतो इथे. तो पाथ क्लोज झाला. तो पाथ द्यावा लागतो. आय विल शो यू, डोंट वरी. पाथ कसं द्यायचं किंवा कुठे दिलेलं आहे का एक्झाम्पल, तर माझ्याकडे एक आहे आता आपण कुठलं ओपन केलेलं. ओके. सो हिअर यू कॅन सी ही फाईल नाही आहे माझ्याकडे, पण त्याचा पाथ अवेलेबल आहे कुठं आहे ते. सो दिस इज हाऊ आय एम गिव्हिंग दॅट पाथ. आणि मग त्या फाईलचं नाव .csv. we can do this. I'm giving this path to read CSV and I'm storing it in data. This is like, but we are not going to that bigger example. Simple example, import CSV. आता हा एरर कधी दाखवणार नाही जर ही फाईल ऑलरेडी जिथं तुम्ही क्रिएट केलाय फोल्डर किंवा आहे इन्स्टॉल केल्यानंतर जो बाय डिफॉल्ट झालेला आहे सिस्टीमने केलेला आहे तिथं ती फाईल प्रेझेंट असणं गरजेचं आहे. ओके, मी इथं आहे ती, तशी तुम्ही इथं सेव्ह करा जर बाहेर केले असाल तर डेस्कटॉप. एल्स तुम्ही त्याचा पाथ देऊ शकता. ओके. फाईलचं नाव रीड मोड मध्ये ओपन करतो म्हणून इन सिंगल ब्रॅकेट सिंगल इन्व्हर्टेड कॉमा आर, देन कम्प्लीट ॲज फाईल. ॲज फाईल लिहायचं आपल्याला. So hope you can see the window import CSV. Next command is with open file name, which whatever you are giving name. I have given this, I already created. R reading mode as file I have given. So we are creating one object of this, storing as a file. Now we have opened one more object. We are creating CSV underscore file equal to CSV dot dictionary reader. So we are reading this file as a dictionary reader. Inside this object which we have created, we will pass it file. Okay, so hope you have created this. Going to idle, maybe I will show you. Wherever if you already installed, you have to go here Python and select idle Python. You can go to command prompt also, no problem. But I have chosen this. I am comfortable in this. As I said, I am learning Python. I am not superior in Python. You are already there. You are learned. I am learning. I am in phase. So you are better than me. You can do these programs very quickly. Simple. So we are going for dictionary reader, and we have passed that file object file as. Then for row in CSV file, जेवढे row आहे त्यासाठी print dictionary and this row, so which we have created an object. CSV file चा परत एक object केला, and that is what I am saying for row in CSV file प्रत्येक row साठी and print. So we are printing. We'll just execute this. Hope you have done that. I'll execute this. So, yes. Name Jack, age 23, profession doctor. Name Miller, age 22, profession engineer. This is displayed. Hope you have executed successfully. Any problem? Those who are doing simultaneously, have you done? जे सायमल्टेनियसली करताय त्यांनी केलं असेल तर रिप्लाय करा मला, अनम्यूट करा आणि सांगा. मला चॅट मध्ये टाईप करू नका, मला दिसत नाहीये. येस. ओके. एक्झिक्यूट केलाय का प्रोग्राम कोणी? करताय का कोणी? ओके, मी करून दाखवलं इथे, तुम्हाला हा रिझल्ट दिसेल. आता CSV फाईल माझ्याकडे इथे ऑलरेडी ओपन आहे. मी अजून एक नाव ऍड करतो. कोणाचं करायचं? कोणीतरी सचिन, एज I don't know her age. Okay, we'll just type it. Saving this. Yes. Okay. So one more time. So one more time we'll execute. We'll save. You need to save this file. Run. Now I have added one name. Hope you observed. So I have added Swati Mohan and Sachin. Two records. Sachin, 32 cricketer, and Swati Mohan. I don't know her age. I'm typing. Just example we are taking. NASA tech engineer. Last time I have given an example that NASA just reached on Mars, and this the mission which was lastly handled by one Indian, and she was a girl, or you can say lady. So proud moment for us in India, but working for USA. Okay. So whatever that machine we have sent on Mars, so launching of it is handled by one Indian lady, and that her name is, she was the team leader and she has done this, and her name is Swati Mohan. So I congratulate her and I wish happy Women's Day to her also and to all the ladies who are present for the class. So happy Women's Day to all of you. So these are the proud moments for us as a Indian girl. She has done this. So I've added that record and I'll just one more time execute. Okay. So this is how your records will display it. So we have read CSV file and we have gone for a dictionary reading. Okay. Another example we'll see regarding same. So loading the CSV files. Now by using a CSV.reader. Now we are using a delimiter, that tabs. If we have given the slash tabs, by using those delimiter also, so you require to give this extra information while reading the file name and delimiter slash tab or tab slash t. We can read and we can display it. Okay. So again, same file, import CSV, then with open here the file name rmod as a file. So file is an object of this file. Reader. So one more object we are taking, assigning that CSV reader, where we'll pass this name file, that is people.csv, and we'll pass extra information. This is delimiter slash t. If we can store the information by using t's also slash t, but again comma separated value, comma is required. For row in reader, we'll save, already saved, save and then run this module. Okay. So these are the two differences when we read it as a dictionary and when by using a slash t. So name, age, profession, this was the first row, and we are assuming that these are the column heads, name of the information which we are storing, and then one by one each row. So this name, age, profession is appearing again and again here, which we can display like this, access like this, print like this. So using dictionary reader and simple reader, these are the differences. When we go for simple reader, we need to give extra information that we have given slash t. Hope you are clear with program already here. If you are doing with me, no problem. This is regarding dictionary and this is regarding simple reader file with extra information as a delimiter slash t tab we have used. Import CSV with open inside bracket name of that CSV file, people.csv, read as file, reader equal to CSV dot reader inside bracket file comma delimiter equal to again in single inverted commas slash t bracket complete. For row in, this is a for loop. You know, as I said, Python in for loop, which statement we execute one to again and again. Next to for again we have to write. Just keep this kind of information that हे टॅब वगैरे देणं गरजेचं असतं म्हणे पायथॉन मध्ये. तेवढे द्या व्यवस्थित, तुम्हाला एरर नाही येणार. सेव्ह करा आणि रन करा. येस. ओके. एनी प्रॉब्लेम अप टू दिस? एनीबडी? सायमल्टेनियसली जे करतायत त्यांनी बघा, एक्झिक्यूट करून बघा, काय एरर असेल तर सांगा. आणखी एक एक्झाम्पल आहे त्यातलं, सेम फाईल आय थिंक. ओके. आता हे तिसरा फॉर्मॅट. Import CSV with open people.csv r as a file, reader equal to CSV reader and just file name without extra information. Slash t दिलं होतं. For row in reader, print row. Run. Okay. This is your result. Okay. So first experiment, load CSV file or read CSV file in Python. Write पण करू शकतो. Next time we will show it how to write it. We take that as a second experiment. So this is your first experiment. Install Python, install required packages, and then just load CSV or read CSV file through Python or using Python. Simple program. Any doubt? Anybody? Any doubt? Simultaneously जे करत होते त्यांना काय एरर असेल तर तुम्ही पर्सनली पण विचारू शकता. झाला असेल तर व्हेरी गुड. पायथॉन तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना येते, मला माहिती आहे. जर अडचण असेल तर विचारा. विल स्टॉप हियर. दिस इज एक्सपेरिमेंट नंबर 1. मी लिंक देतो, तुम्हाला अपलोड करतो अगोदर त्याचे PDF, आणि मग तुम्ही ते राईटअप पूर्ण करून अपलोड करायचं आहे. ते कधी करायचं, कधी त्याचे डेट्स काय मी सगळं सांगेन तुम्हाला. परत परत मला विचारू नका. जे ऍबसेंट आहेत त्यांना पण सांगा. परत डबल मेसेज करत बसतात मला. तसं करू नका. कॉन्सन्ट्रेट करा. तुम्ही ऐकायला पाहिजेत लेक्चर. दॅट तो हेतू आहे महत्वाचा. तुम्ही परत परत विचारलं तर त्याचं काही अडचण नाहीये. पण जर फक्त लॉग इन करून साईडला मोबाईल ठेवून फिरत असतील तर अडचण आहे. त्यामुळे तुम्ही लेक्चर्स प्रॉपरली ऐका. म्हणून मी सांगतो की इन्स्ट्रक्शन मी तिथे लेक्चरलाच देतोय, त्या फॉलो करा. ज्यांना माहित नाही, जे विचारतात, मला कळतं की त्यांनी लेक्चर ऍबसेंट आहेत, त्यांना कोणी फ्रेंड पण नाहीये असं. ओके. एनिवेज, विल गो टू लास्ट पार्ट. इथपर्यंत कोणाला काही प्रॉब्लेम? एनीबडी? शॅल वी गो टू लास्ट पार्ट? पॅकेजेस इन्स्टॉल अजून भरपूर करायचे आहेत आपल्याला. 3-4 दाखवले मी. जसे लागतील आपल्याला तसे इन्स्टॉल करू. 3 लागणार होते ऑलरेडी माझ्याकडे. SQL आज मी इन्स्टॉल करून दाखवलं. नेट फक्त पाहिजे थोडंसं, आणि जास्त काही डेटा पण घेत नाही ते. ओके. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच. विल स्टॉप हियर बट विल गो टू लास्ट पार्ट, दॅट इज अटेंडन्स. सो टाइप युअर रोल नंबर्स starting with 1 to 10. Roll number 1 to 10. Type your roll numbers in chat. 1 to 10. Just a minute. 1 to 10 only typing. Okay. Today is 8. 4 present. पहिला कुठला आहे? 4. Toggle present. 7 number. 7 present. 5 present. 3 present. 6 present. 9 present. 1 present and 2 present.
Okay. Or roll number
8 is also there. Okay.
11 to 20. 11 to 20.
11 to 20.
11 to 20 झाले.
Okay. 19 absent.
Okay, 11 to 20 झाले. 21 to 30. 21 to 30.
तेवीस 22 25 21 27 29.
Okay. Okay, 31 to 40. 31 to 40. 31, 30.
732. 34. 40 आज प्रेजेंट है. Anybody's remain 31 to 40. Okay. 41 to 50. 41 to 50. 41 to 50. Type your roll numbers. 41, 42, 49, 44. कोणी आहे का आणखी 41 to 50.